Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and zip archives in OPPO A78 5G. And to do this you'll need to get the RAR app I shown you previously on how to download. Open the app, now find the files that you want to extract, click on them, then select this arrow pointing up to extract entire archive. Right here we can customize the settings for the extraction if you like, but it's not necessary. You can go for the browse to change the designation. Then when everything is set, click on OK and your files should be extracted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.